Good afternoon, and thank you for the opportunity to present my proposal. My name is Laura Marzuski, and today I will be discussing how this organization can modernize its network infrastructure using software-defined networking, also known as SDN, and software-defined wide area networking, or SD-WAN. The organization's current infrastructure is built on traditional routers, switches, and firewalls. These devices are configured individually, which means administrators must log in to each device to make changes or to troubleshoot problems. The WAN also uses a combination of MPLS circuits, fiber, cable, and LTE connections. While MPLS is reliable, it's one of the most expensive forms of connectivity. This environment has become increasingly difficult to manage as the company has expanded. Costs continue to rise, making network changes can be slow and time consuming. These technical challenges can create significant business consequences because IT staff spend so much time on manual configuration and troubleshooting that they have less time to focus on strategic projects. Poor network performance can also reduce employee productivity, especially when users depend on cloud-based applications like Microsoft 360, Zoom, or Salesforce. When the network can adapt quickly to business needs, it slows expansion and increases operational expenses. Software-defined networking separates the control plane from the data plane. In simpler terms, the decision-making intelligence is centralized in a control rather than spread across individual devices. Administrators can define policies once, and those policies are automatically pushed to the entire network. This greatly reduces manual work, improves consistency, and allows the network to respond more quickly to changing business requirements. SW1 applies these same software-defined principles to wide area networking. Instead of relying on static routes, SD-WAN continuously monitors each WAN connection and determines the best path for every application. For example, voice and video traffic can be routed over the lowest latency connection, while lower priority traffic can use less expansive broadband links. This ensures better performance while also reducing costs. Together, STN and SD-WAN solve the organization's most pressing challenges. High MPLS costs are reduced by using broadband and LTE more efficiently. Manual configurations are replaced with centralized automation. Application performance improves because traffic is routed intelligently. Real-time analytics provide better visibility, and zero-touch provisioning allows new branch offices to be deployed much faster. The proposed architecture includes several core components. At the center in the SDN controller and SD-WAN orchestrator, which manage policies and monitor performance across all locations. Each branch office will have an SD-WAN edge appliance connected to available WAN circuits. Traffic will be encrypted using IPsec tunnels, and next-generation firewalls will be provided advanced security. Cloud Getaways will optimize and access to SaaS and IaaS services. After evaluating several vendors, my primary recommendation is Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN. Cisco is a market leader with a mature platform, strong security capabilities, and extensive support resources. Other reputable solutions include VMware VeloCloud, Fortinet Secure SD-WAN, Aruba Edge Connect, and Versa Networks. While these are all strong options, Cisco offers the best overall balance of scalability, functionality, and industry adaptation. Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN offers several advantages. The vManage dashboard provides centralized administration and real-time visibility, as shown here. Application-aware routing automatically selects the best paths for traffic. Cloud on-ramp provides an access to cloud applications. Zero-touch deployment allows devices to be shipped directly to remote sites and configured automatically when powered on. The expected benefits are extremely significant. Financially, the organization may reduce WAN costs by 30 to 50% by decreasing reliance on MPLS. Operationally, administrators will spend less time on manual tasks and more time on strategic initiatives. Users will often experience better application performance and faster response times. Security will also improve through encryption and centralized policy management. The implementation will follow a phased roadmap over approximately 7 months. The gradual approach reduces risk and ensures that each phase is validated before you move on to the next. The 5 phases include assessment and design, pilot deployment, core rollout, branch expansion, and finally, optimization and training. During the assessment and design phase, the project team will inventory all network devices and circuits. They will analyze application traffic, define security and business policies, and design the target architecture. This phase also establishes measurable success metrics, such as cost saving, improved latency, and uptime goals. In the pilot phase, the solution will be deployed to 2 or 3 branch offices. The team will validate application performance, test failover scenarios, and gather feedback from their users. Any issues identified during the pilot will be addressed before expanding the deployment to additional locations. Every single major project involves risks. Possible risks include staff resistance, configuration errors, downtime, security concerns, and budget overruns. These risks can be mitigated through communication, hands-on training, pilot testing, maintenance windows, and phase deployment. Taking a structured approach greatly increases the likelihood of success. Security is built into every aspect of the solution. All WAN traffic will be protected using IPsec encryption. Administrative access will require multi-factor authentication. Role-based access controls will ensure that users have only the permissions they need. Continuous monitoring and control of redundancy will help maintain availability and detect threats quickly. Technology alone does not guarantee success. Leadership is essential for guiding the organization through change. Leaders must communicate the vision clearly, involve stakeholders early, and ensure employees receive proper training and support. When people understand the benefits of a solution, they're more likely to embrace it, and the company will see less failures. The solution does more than solve current networking problems. It creates a foundation for innovation and digital transformation. The organization will be able to adopt cloud services more quickly, improve user experience, and support future technologies. In all, the organization's traditional network design is becoming too costly and complex to support continued growth. By implementing Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN and SDN principles, the company can reduce costs, improve performance, strengthen their security, and simplify management. This proposal delivers a scalable and future-ready solution that aligns with the organization's strategic goals. These are the references used to support my analysis and recommendations. Thank you for your time and attention, and I appreciate the opportunity to present this proposal.